I wanted to install the Davinci Resolve 16 free version and try it out. It looks like it's the most robust free version of video editing software out there. And if you upgrade to the premium, it's a $300 one-time charge here in July of 2020. It would let me download the software as a .exe file. And when I'd run it, a pop-up window would come up and say, which options do you want? And then it included some Microsoft Visual C++ versions of 2013. But then an error message would come up and say, I'm missing the msdvr120.dll. Well, I went online and searched it, and there's many places you can get it, but they weren't from Microsoft. So I didn't want to risk it. And so I researched and researched for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then I found this page, and it solved the problem from Microsoft. And I'll put the link below in the description. It does not update. Right here it says it doesn't update automatically with your Microsoft, automatic update, but you can install this separately. Well, I use a 66-bit version. So I came in here and I just downloaded this Microsoft thing for this 64-bit version. And I would suppose if you had a 32-bit computer, you could use this one and go to the English and download it there. But anyway, this solved the problem. It's a .exe file, so everything installs automatically. And then when I tried to open the Resolve package, everything worked. So I hope that helps. I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I went in and started learning about all these different versions of the Microsoft Visual C++ that had been downloaded over time. And apparently they issue this to software developers and then they can modify it. Well, apparently Resolve was slightly modified. So they were wanting to install the 2013 edition. I noticed I had several. So I tried to update these. You can click modify and then update. So I updated all these 13 versions, but nothing happened. It didn't fix the issue. But as soon as I just downloaded and ran that Microsoft file, it solved the issue. So now I have Davinci running here on my computer, and it is robust. They say they have the best color correction in the industry, and they give it to you in the free version. For just that one feature alone, I give them a thumbs up. Anyway, I hope that helps. It would probably work for other programs you're trying to install that are missing that file and maybe other DLL files. So you might try it. I don't think it would hurt the computer. It just adds a couple additional things. Now, I did notice there's another option. They call it if people have used what they term illegal methods or something like that, illegal instructions. You can possibly try this file. I didn't need it, so I don't really have much to say about it. I just went to the 64.exe file and I used the English version and it fixed it. Well, I hope that helps.